But I couldn't find you. So tell me, why are you here today?
Because we're concerned
Do you want to
grandmothers.
hold that quickly? Because I've got.
Have I got her? We're concerned grandmas.
Go on, keep going.
Put it in front of
No,
your
not that. Just like that. Perfect.
We're just concerned grandmas. Our children are grown and they've got children, and you know it's up to our children to tell their children what they want, not teachers. It's not a teacher's job. Teacher's job is to teach them how to read and write and count and history, whatever, but no, this is ridiculous. So
How are we going to push back by it? Can we protest outside of school?
well, you could if you could get enough mums and dads and people to go with it.
What strength for unity?
Yes, yeah.
But so many are apathetic, they don't care.
Yeah, carry on.
There's a lot of apathy about it, they don't care. They think they're going to learn it anyway, so they just as well learn it when they're babies. And I think it's just outrageous. They're taking away their innocence.
And do you think it's a criminal act?
Well, really, yes, I do.
I mean, what about the transgenders?
Oh, don't get me started on that one.
Is that even worse?
Well, yeah, really. Yeah,
keep
really.
next year.
It's too much. Like we say, it's too much too soon. Too much too soon. They don't need to be in trouble with this. It's hard enough growing up anyway. They don't need to be in trouble with all this. It's just too much
Close
too
it,
soon.
it's loud. Yeah. Well done. Keep going, bro. Yeah, good.
What else do you want me to say?
Well, I just want to say, how long has it been going on? Because I've noticed the last 2 or 3 years, it's been in everyone's faces now.
Well,
Before,
yeah.
it's probably beforehand, but I didn't notice it.
It came to light in lockdown, really, didn't it?
Yeah, what, 2020?
Yeah, when the kids were at home doing their schooling at home, and I think some parents picked up on it, and it seemed to break then. But apparently it's been going on before that, but nobody knew. But now we know.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Not really.
No.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I give you my card? Well, I'm being deleted on all my channels at the moment because we tell the truth. So we're in a war of information at the moment for the last 3 years. Right, God bless you all. Did it work? Yeah, good. And subscribe on my YouTube channel because I've had to start again. I had thousands, now I've got about 300. It's not good. God bless you.